I thought I'd start my diet today, but then a wonderful Italian showed up with a decadent cake to celebrate 10,000 subscribers, so I guess I'll just start tomorrow. Today, we're hiking in Lecco, actually the Monte Barro, a charming town nestled between Lake Como and the towering mountains. Now, Lecco might not be the first name that comes to mind when you think of Italy. You're probably thinking Rome and Milan, but trust me, Lecco is packed with breathtaking views, incredible mountains, amazing food, and experiences that will leave you in awe. So, lace up your hiking boots and follow me through Monte Barro, and let's dive into its delights and its surroundings. The path winds through lush greenery and towering cliffs, offering panoramic views that are nothing short of epic, and the swing is an added bonus. This trail is the perfect mix of tranquility and adventure, where every twist and turn reveals something new, including a playground. And if you're a nature lover like me, you'll feel right at home surrounded by the sounds of chirping birds, rustling leaves, fresh mountain air, and butterflies. One of the main reasons I go to Monte Barro is because of the Eremo restaurant, a true hidden gem tucked away at the top of the hike. Imagine dining with a view so spectacular you feel like you're on top of the world. The rustic charm of Eremo, with its wooden beams and panoramic windows, sets the perfect ambiance for a delightful meal. Check out the menu. It's simple, it's rustic, and it is divine. I decided to indulge in a local favorite pizzaccheri paired with a panna cotta. Every bite was a celebration of flavors. The pizzaccheri cooked to perfection, and the panna cotta, don't let me get started. I admit it, I am a shopaholic, so how delightful to find these wonderful artisan stores nearby. And let me tell you, these little stalls were a treasure trove of delightful finds. I picked up some handcrafted soaps that smell like heaven, lavender, rosemary, and a citrus blend that's just perfect for relaxing at the end of a long, long day and a long, long hike. Look at the weaving, and there's also a swap shop, something I've never seen before. Well, today I couldn't resist grabbing some decadent soaps and also a bundle of Palo Santo sticks. There's something so soothing about that earthy, aromatic scent. Now follow me to one of the coolest sights. It's watching the paragliders take to the skies and standing on this terrace looking at the colorful sails soaring against the backdrop of blue skies and rugged mountains with the beautiful lakes below. You can't help but feel a rush of excitement. And these daredevils, they make it look so effortless, gliding gracefully over the landscape. And who knows, next time it may very well be me. Maybe I'll work up the courage to try it myself. Actually, I'm pretty brave, but my cameraman refuses to let me paraglide. Maybe I'll just run away and do it anyway. But for now, it's thrilling enough just to watch. So look above and spot the paragliders. It's a perfect mix of serenity and adrenaline that captures the essence of Italy. If you've been following me for a while on the Lingo Nas channel, you know I can't resist a good swing set, and today did not disappoint. There's something so freeing about just letting go, swinging high into the air with the lake on one side, the mountains on the other. It's a little tradition of mine, a moment of pure joy and nostalgia no matter where I am in the world. It's these small, simple pleasures that remind us to enjoy the journey, not just the destination. Lecco and its surrounds is more than just a pretty face. It's a town with a soul, and I'll be doing a walking tour of Lecco soon. Every corner that you turn, every alley that you explore feels like uncovering a new secret. But as you can see, all good things must come to an end. And watch as we meander down the twisting trails back to Lecco. By the way, I'm determined to drive in Italy. What do you think? Would you be able to navigate these roads? It almost feels like you falling off the side of the cliff, doesn't it? Yep, pretty scary. So that's a wrap for today. My first weekend back in Italy and in Lecco. I've been coming here for 10 years. I absolutely love it. From the epic hikes and delicious food to the charming shops, unforgettable views, Lecco is a place that steals your heart and leaves you wanting more. If you loved this journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tales as I continue to explore Italy's hidden gems. Let me know in the comments, what would you like to see next? Whether it's a bustling city like Florence or a quiet village like Verona, I'm here to uncover the magic of Italy one adventure at a time.